Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your Hotmail or Outlook account language to English, United Kingdom or United States. A full 2025 guide that's quick, simple, and works on any device. Let's jump right in. First, open any web browser and go to the Outlook.com or Hotmail login page. Once you're there, sign into your Microsoft account using your email and password. After you log in, you'll be taken to your Outlook inbox. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small settings gear icon. Click on it to open your settings panel. A menu will slide out on the right side. Scroll down a bit and click View All Outlook Settings at the bottom. This is where all the advanced options are located. Next, under the General section on the left, click on Language and Time. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Language. This is where you can change the display language for your entire Outlook interface. From the list, scroll or search for English, United Kingdom, or English, United States. Whichever you prefer. Once you've selected it, double check your time zone just below to make sure it matches your region. When everything looks good, click Save at the bottom of the page. Your Outlook account will refresh and everything, from your inbox menus to your settings, will now appear in clear, fluent English. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Hotmail or Outlook language to English in just a few minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.